Do you really know how to squat correctly? Most people think they're doing it right, but small mistakes can lead to knee pain, back injuries, and wasted effort. Today, I'll show you exactly how to master the perfect squat, step by step, and avoid the most common mistakes. Why squats matter. Squats are one of the most important exercises you can do. They build strength in your legs, glutes, and core, and they're the foundation for so many other movements. But the key is, you have to do them with proper form, correct squat form setup. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly out like 11 and 1 on a clock. Find what feels stable for your body. Take a deep breath, brace your core like you're about to get punched in the stomach. This protects your spine. Chest up, shoulders back and down. Keep that upright posture. Descent. Start the movement by pushing your hips back as if you're sitting on a chair. Bend knees, hips, and ankles together, all in unison. Keep your heels firmly on the ground, knees tracking in line with your toes. Go down until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor, but don't let your lower back round. Ascent. Drive back up through your heels. Keep hips and shoulders rising together. At the top, squeeze your glutes to fully extend. Common mistakes and fixes. Now, let's go over the biggest mistakes people make when squatting, and how to fix them. Knees caving in. Spot it. Knees move inward. Fix. Use a resistance band above your knees and focus on pushing them outward. Rounded back, the butt wink. Spot it. Spine rounds at the bottom. Fix. Improve hip and ankle mobility and don't go deeper than your back can handle. Heels lifting. Spot it. Weight shifts to toes. Heels off the ground. Fix. Stretch your ankles. Try flat-soled shoes or elevate your heels slightly with a plate. Hips rising too fast. Spot it. Hips shoot up before chest. Fix. Brace your core. Keep torso upright and drive knees forward. Not going deep enough. Spot it. Stopping above parallel. Fix. Practice box squats and work on mobility. Leaning too far forward. Spot it. Chest collapses. Fix. Keep chest proud and try goblet squats to help you stay upright. Progression tips. Once you've nailed the bodyweight squat, you can level up. Start with goblet squats holding a dumbbell or kettlebell. Then move to barbell squats, front squats, and back squats. Add in single leg variations like Bulgarian split squats for balance and strength. So that's how you master the perfect squat and avoid those painful mistakes. Remember, form first, then add weight. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips every week.